Okay folks, today I'm going to do some fossil wood hunting. So, that's what the video is today. Okay folks, it turned itself off, now it's back on. I don't know what's wrong with this system. Maybe it just doesn't like me. You know, YouTube. It hasn't really liked me from the very beginning. It's always been that way. But you know, you could cry over spilled milk, or you could just keep on going. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be strong-armed. You ask, what am I doing? And you know the answer. The answer is there. So, folks, let's take a look. Down there. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Whew. I don't feel like going too far out. That's my problem. You know, it gets hot, sweaty. The clouds are coming out. I get all cranky. I get cranky, cranky, cranky. But let's take a look. You know, I can't really do too many impersonation voices, or else I'll be like, aha! You have a personality. Personalities aren't allowed on YouTube. You're never gonna be a personality. Never, young man. Yeah. Anywho. Bam. Do 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 do. Yeah, I don't even know why I do these long videos. No one watches them all the way to the end. But maybe someday they will. Someday in ancient history, they'll go back and be like, you know that one channel? That one channel with that one guy. Oh, the guy that actually experienced and connected with nature. Not anyhow. Yeah. Only people like me understand my connection with nature. Some people just get frustrated because I don't want to follow the crowd, you know. And that's taboo here. You can't have a personality on YouTube. You do, you're punished. Fiercely. They spank you with a cactus leaf or something, I don't know. Maybe. Do they do that? I don't want to find out. Anywho. Look at this beautiful piece of wood I found. Petrified wood, to be exact. Palm wood. Because there's lines in it. That's how you know the difference between palm and pine.